Mark chapter 10, verse 29 through 31. NKJV. So Jesus answered and said, Assuredly I say to you, there is no one who has left house, or brothers, or sisters, or father, or mother, or wife, or children, or lands, for my sake and for the gospel's, who shall not receive 100-fold now in this time, houses and brothers and sisters and mothers and children's and lands, with persecutions, and in the age to come eternal life. But many who are first will be last, and the last first. Isaiah chapter 54, verse 5. NKJV. For your Maker is your husband, the Lord of hosts is his name, and your Redeemer is the Holy One of Israel. Proverbs chapter 11, verse 25. KJV. The generous soul will be made rich, and he who waters will also be watered himself. Proverbs chapter 11, verse 31. KJV. Behold, the righteous shall be recompensed in the earth, much more the wicked and the sinner. Proverbs chapter 6, verse 30 through 31. KJV. Men, do not despise a thief if he steal to satisfy his soul when he is hungry. But if he be found, he shall restore sevenfold. He shall give all the substance of his house. Proverbs chapter 12, verse 14, KJV. A man shall be satisfied with good by the fruit of his mouth, and the right and the recompense of a man's hands shall be rendered unto him. Proverbs chapter 13, verse 21, KJV. Evil pursueth sinners, but to the righteous good shall be repaid. Psalms chapter 71, verse 20 through 21, KJV. Thou, which hast shewed me great and sore troubles, shalt quicken me again, and shalt bring me up again from the depths of the earth. Thou shalt increase my greatness and comfort me on every side. Joel chapter 2, verse 23 through 27, KJV. Be glad then, ye children of Zion, and rejoice in the Lord your God, for he hath given you the former rain moderately, and he will cause to come down for you the rain, the former rain and the latter rain in the first month. And the floors shall be full of wheat, and the fats shall overflow with wine and oil. And I will restore to you the years that the locust hath eaten, the cankerworm, and the caterpillar, and the palmerworm, my great army which I sent among you. And ye shall eat in plenty, and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord your God, that hath dealt wondrously with you. And my people shall never be ashamed. And ye shall know that I am in the midst of Israel, and that I am the Lord your God, and none else, and my people shall never be ashamed. Amos chapter 9, verse 13 through 15. MSGV. Yes, indeed, it won't be long now. God's decree. Things are going to happen so fast your head will swim. One thing fast on the heels of the other. You won't be able to keep up. Everything will be happening at once, and everywhere you look, blessings. Blessings like wine pouring off the mountains and hills. I'll make everything right again for my people Israel. They'll rebuild their ruined cities. They'll plant vineyards and drink good wine. They'll work their gardens and eat fresh vegetables. And I'll plant them on their own land. They'll never again be uprooted from the land I've given them. God, your God, said so. Isaiah chapter 61, verse 7, KJV. For your shame you shall have double, and for confusion they shall rejoice in their portion. Therefore in their land they shall possess the double. Everlasting joy shall be unto them. Zephaniah chapter 3, verse 17 through 20, KJV. The Lord thy God in the midst of thee is mighty. He will save. He will rejoice over thee with joy. He will rest in his love. He will joy over thee with singing. I will gather them that are sorrowful for the solemn assembly who are of thee, to whom the reproach of it was a burden. Behold, at that time I will do unto all that afflict thee, and I will save her that halteth, and gathereth her that was driven out. And I will get them praise and fame in every land where they have been put to shame. At that time I will bring you again, even to the time that I gather you. For I will make you a name and a praise among all people of the earth, when I turn back your captivity before your eyes, saith the Lord.